Hold up, Pulu, that shit.
Alright, so for the first thing that we started off with this beat was the bass line, and we have something simple that goes just like this. Alright, so, that's pretty much it for the bass line right there. So the next thing we got after that was we went to contact, and we got these chords right here. Let's do that real quick so we can have the full 4 bar. Alright, so this is what you get right here. So then when you put that with the bass line, this is what you get right here. So this is what you get right here when you put that with the bass line. Alright, so the next thing we got after that were this lead from Omnisphere. And I thought that sounded dope. Thought that sounded pretty hard. So then when you put all those together, this is kind of what you get. Alright, so this is what we got for the drums right here. Alright, fam. So now I'm gonna play you guys the drum pattern, and this is how it sounds all together, and then I'll break them down what I have, because it's not really too much on this beat. We're going for like more of a chill West Coast vibe right here. Kind of going more for that old school but still kind of modern new sound. So this is kind of what you get for the drums. This is a kick and clap. These are the perks. And then I believe these are like little edited patterns, just so everything's not too repetitive. I don't know, just made up that word. Just so everything's not like so, what's that word? Something with the loop. I just can't really get it. It's 5 o'clock in the morning right now. Had to come bust out this real quick video. Try to give you guys something new, but. And then for the hi-hats, like I said, it's not really too crazy. It's kind of what you get right here. And I'll just. So like I said, when you put all those together, alright, so now I'm gonna play you guys the full beat. Appreciate you guys for sticking around to the end. This is a little quick video, just so you guys can see what I did instead of like how to do it. But yeah, you know, under 5 minutes, under 6 minutes, one of those type of videos. So appreciate you guys for sticking through. Like, comment, you know, subscribe right here, right down there. Let's get to 200 subs. We're almost there. And yeah, listen to the beat. Alright fam, like, subscribe, comment who you guys want to see next.